And the health district among the many being impacted by this colder weather. Our Mariah Gallegos explains how the upcoming freeze will affect vaccine distributions.
We did try to bring the majority of our workers inside yesterday, but our adverse reactions, that's outside. And we do have several, over 20 workers that had to be outside, and it was very, very cold.
Like most things being affected by the colder weather moving in, Dr. Kim Onufrak with the health department says they're also feeling the impact at the vaccine distribution sites.
Even in the vaccination areas, if you were at the stations that were close to the bay garage doors, it was very windy, it was very cold.
Typically, the department receives vaccine shipments every Monday, but with the current forecast for freezing temperatures next week, Onufrak says they're left with some uncertainty.
Delivery is coming from Tennessee. And so if the weather is bad all across the United States, it might not get here.
Bitter temperatures are going to be, everywhere. And so, again, we don't know when they're coming.
Even if the vaccine arrives on time, Health Director Annette Rodriguez says the weather will be too cold to host a drive-through clinic early in the week.
We do have to keep account into, trying to keep our workers safe. We don't want them to freeze to death. So even if our supplies do arrive on Monday or Tuesday, if it's too cold, we just don't have the capabilities to keep everybody inside and warm.
The health department still plans to receive and distribute the vaccine sometime next week, but is asking the community to be patient as weather conditions will cause a delay. Mariah Gallegos, 3 News.
And some hopeful news tonight in the fight against the spread of the coronavirus. Almost 1,000 people were vaccinated today at the American Bank Center as part of the City of Corpus Christi and Driscoll Children's Hospital joint vaccine distribution. Today's vaccines were given to patients 65 years or older. Organizers say they plan to host another clinic once more doses are shipped to the area. No word yet on when that will be, but likely once we get through this bad weather.